Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit a shape in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and click this down select arrow and select animation. Now click on the shape and select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and here you will find this properties option. Properties option, you can change this shape border thickness, increase decrease here, make it 5, and shape border style you can change also. You can change border color, this fill color, and its transparency you can change, and also you can rotate this shape and increase decrease this shape size if you want, and see this, and so on. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.